Hey guys, today's video is in collaboration with AmeliDreads. We have some synthetic DE, meaning double-ended dreads by AmeliDreads. It's an Etsy shop you guys could check out. I have 25 double-ended dreads here that I'm going to install on my hair. Just showing you guys exactly what they look like right out of the package. Okay, so with AmeliDreads, you can pretty much do any type of custom locks. You could pick from the ones they already have made, or just pretty much put in an order on how you want your locks to look. I was absolutely obsessed with their ombre dreads done in the wrapped natural style, and I requested for the locks to be bomb length, so they are pretty long. I do have tapered sides all the way around my head, so I only needed 25 DE, which is double end dreads from AmeliDreads. And if you don't want all double-ended dreads, you can get a mixture of double-ended and single, but I used all double because they fill up the head way quicker. This is what the lock looks like. Guys, I have plenty of tutorials on how to install double-ended locks, dreads. I have tried all types of companies that deal with double-ended locks or single-ended locks, so do check out the tutorials for the double-ended locks. I will have all of the links in the description box if you're unable to follow this little tutorial I have right here. So you're just pretty much sectioning your hair in half and then putting the dread between that section, making a 3-strand braid, 2 of the strands being your hair and the 3rd strand being the lock, 1 lock of the double end, and then just sealing it with either holding spray or a very good sturdy elastic band. Not rubber band, elastic band. You want to choose the most sturdy and high quality ones. So I could recommend some in the description box if you're unsure. So yeah, once you've done that, you just flip the other dread down and continue on with the next section. Get a section, split it in half, put the double end lock in the center of that section like so. And then you're just going to braid one end of that lock, not both, one end of that lock with your hair. So 2 strands of your real hair, and then that 3rd strand is going to be one of the dread ends, like so. And then just leaving the other dread end out of the picture. But once we get finished braiding and sealing it with the elastic band, we will just flip that other dread down, and then that would be it for installing a double-ended lock. This is just one way to install them. Plenty of tutorials on YouTube if you don't find mine helpful at all. So shipping is pretty much free from what I'm seeing on the Etsy shop. It says free shipping. You do want to keep in mind that custom orders do take a little while, so just keep that in mind. Be mindful of that. These are handmade locks. They are made with love and care, so just keep that in mind. It took me like an hour to do this whole style because, you know, I had to wash my hair and condition it, that whole thing. So the actual installing of the locks actually takes less than an hour on tapered sides. Now, if you're doing a full head, it will take 2.5 hours to 3 hours maybe. If you're a fast braider, maybe less than that. I absolutely love how these little accessories come on the locks already. I absolutely love that. You would think these locks will be heavy. They are not. They are actually one of the lighter brands of dreads. So I'm super grateful for that. It's not heavy at all. No exaggeration. Also, when you're picking your custom order, if you choose to customize your dreads, you can tell them what type of texture you want of the locks. So there's a lot of looks you could play around with these locks when you're doing your order. Just do your research on their website first and then kind of pick from there. That is it for this video, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Do me a favor, thumbs up this video for me, please. See you in the next one.